Hi guys, so today is the last day of the Diwali series. So in today's video, we are doing Get Ready With Me for Diwali. So let's just get started. Okay, so for the moisturizer, I am using this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This moisturizer is very lightweight and it's very nice as well. So I'm using this. For the primer, I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. I really love this primer as it's very, thick and very silicone-y. So it's really perfect for the pores and for blurring out the areas. After priming up the face, we'll move on to our foundation. So for the foundation, I'm using this Huda Beauty's foundation in the shade 330N. I love this foundation as it's full coverage and we all love some full coverage glam on Diwali, right? So I'll be using this foundation. So I'll just take one pump and that is pretty much it. I'm using my damp sponge and I'm applying my foundation with it. For the concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I am in the shade medium beige. This concealer is dark, so I use this for removing my darkness around the eyes. I only have pigmentation around my eyes, so I'll be using this concealer for that. And I'll prep my eyes with it as well. Now I'll be using my Krylons palette and I'll use contour and highlighting shade from this palette only. For the contour, I'm using this NG2 shade and for my highlighting, I'll be using this ivory shade. Now for the setting powder, I'm using this Fit Me's setting powder. I really enjoy using this product so much and I'm in the shade 15 light. So I'll not bake my eyes this time. I'll just set it now. You have to set your eyelid as well. Now for the bronzer, I'm using this NYX bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. Now for the blush, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics blush in the shade 05 Coral Climax. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm using this Makeup Revolution's chocolate palette. I'm gonna use these two brown shades first. After blending these two brown shades, I'll be using this green shimmer shade. And I'll just apply like this. It's basically mix of green and black, like it's kind of a smoky eyeshadow. Now for the kajal, I'm using this Nykaa's pencil. Now after this, I'll apply my falsies and get back to you just in a second. Now I'll just take black shadow and I'll apply it on my lower lash line. Now we'll just set our face with this Smashbox primer water. Now for the highlighter, I'm using this Becca's highlighter in Champagne Pop. Now for the lipstick, I'm wearing this Maybelline's lipstick in the shade 80 Ruler. This is the final look. This is the outfit I'm wearing, and yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.